What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO deals enrollment. So kung aware kayo guys, if credit card holder kayo ni BDO, makaka-receive kayo ng mga messages which is from BDO deals kung saan naglalaman siya ng code, 10 digits code siya actually na kailangan yung i-enroll para ma-qualify kayo sa promo for cashback or rebates. Kasi guys, alam nyo ba sa credit cards kapag na-meet nyo yung certain requirement nila, spending requirement, so may cashback kayo minsan like mag-spend kayo ng 5,000, may 500 na ibabalik sa inyo. Ganun po yung topic natin ngayon kung paano i-enroll yung code na binibigay nila. Yung i-share ko sa inyo ngayon guys is yung about sa birthday cashback. So, hindi lang naman siya guys tungkol lahat sa birthday yung ino-offer ni BDO deals, of course. Mayroon din sa iba't ibang merchants. So, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is i-enroll yung code na binigay nila para ma-qualify kayo for that promo na sinasabi nila. At saka guys, tip ko lang, yung reference number is kailangan nyo yung itabi, i-screenshot nyo siya kasi if ever man na hindi na-credit yung promo, pwede nyo tawagan yung customer service ni BDO para magtanong kung bakit walang nangyari at i-explain nila kung bakit anong nangyari at makredit yung cashback na yun if ever na hindi na-credit kasi may reference number kayo. Pero bago ako magpatuloy guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe for more videos kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine. So ito na guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung iba't ibang promo code na binibigay ni BDO deals. Pero magpo-focus ako guys sa birthday cashback which is minimum purchase niya is cumulative spend anywhere. So ibig sabihin kahit saang platform, whether it's online shopping, merchants, qualified yung spend na yon. Makaipon tayo ng 5,000, automatic, may cashback tayong worth 500 pesos as you can see. So, hindi lang yan guys, marami akong nare-receive ng mga promo ID na kailangan kong i-enroll para ma-qualify ako sa promo. So, unang-una guys, hanapin nyo yung text message na yon na gusto yung i-enroll. Tulad nito, yung sinasabi ko is yung birthday cashback ni BDO. So, nakikita nyo naman, hi Joseph, happy birthday. Get 500 pesos cashback for a minimum spend of 5,000 pesos. Cumulative spend anywhere this month using your BDO Shop More Mastercard. Kasi guys, BDO Shop More, yung meron ako na credit card sa BDO. To join, enroll your promo ID. Yan yung promo ID guys from November 4 to 30, 2024. So, kung kailan binigay yung date na yan, dapat pasok yung date kung kailan kayo nag-enroll. Kasi kapag lumagpas, December 1 na kayo nag-enroll, so hindi na siya qualified. Mag-e-error siya guys actually. Then, for TNCs, visit BDO website, click deals, and search birthday cashback. DTI number, so yan. Then, dito naman sa baba, may nakita kayong up to 1,500 pesos cashback on buy now, pay later. Iba naman yun. So, mag-focus tayo ngayon sa birthday cashback nila na offer. So, kung paano yun guys, punta kayo ngayon, hanapin nyo yung Google Chrome. Of course, alam nyo naman kung naka-app iPhone kayo, may Google Chrome naman, or naka-Android. Then, sa Google Search Engine, type nyo yung BDO deals as you can see. Nakikita nyo naman. Then, pagka-click nyo yan, lalabas dyan, BDO Credit Card Perks Shopping and Dining Deals. Hindi po yan. Mag-scroll down kayo, hanapin nyo yung BDO Deals na nakikita nyo. Ayan, BDO Deals, Credit Card Promos, Deals, BDO Unibank Incorporated, welcome to BDO. So, i-click nyo yung BDO Deals. Kaya naman nakikita nyo, iba na yung color kasi clinic ko na siya. Then, nakikita nyo yan, BDO Deals, Deals based on your card. So, credit card, debit card. Pwede rin kasi yung debit card, guys. Pero madalas, si credit card yung may madalas na in-offer na promo. Then, holiday spend anywhere cashback. So, iba yan. So, ang gagawin nyo guys is search nyo ngayon yung birthday cashback. Ayan, nakikita nyo birthday cashback. Then, search nyo siya ngayon, lalabas ito. 500 pesos birthday cashback with BDO Shop More Mastercard. 500 pesos birthday cashback. Shop More Mastercard exclusive. So, exclusive lang to guys sa mga Shop More Mastercard. So, i-click nyo yan. Pagka-click nyo, ganito yung lalabas. 500 pesos birthday cashback. Shop anywhere during your birthday month. So, ibig sabihin, birth month lang ito siya pwedeng mangyari. Kapag December na, like sa akin, November. So, kapag December na ako nag-enroll, wala na yon. So, kung kailan yung birth month, no? Yun. Enroll now. Join the promo by submitting your 10-digit promo ID within your birth month. So, may binigay silang specific date. So, dapat doon lang kayo dapat mag-enroll ng promo ID nyo. Beyond that, hindi na siya tatanggapin. Get 500 pesos cashback. Receive an SMS upon successful crediting of cashback within 30 days. Bank within 30 banking days after your birth month. So, ibig sabihin, 1 month after pa siya, makikredit. Huwag kayong magmadali. So, if ever mahigit 2 months na at wala pa rin, pwede na kayong tumawag sa BDO Customer Service para mag-follow up regarding sa promo nila. So, click nyo yung enroll now, guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo, pagka-click nyo ng enroll now, nakalagay, ayan. Pagka-click nyo ng enroll now, may enrollment reminders sila. Kailangan nyo basahin. Enrollment should be within birthday month. Kasi nga, birthday cashback ito. Principal and supplementary card holders must register separately using their individual promo ID. So, ibig sabihin, kung may principal or supplementary card, kailangan magkaiba yung registration nyo. Kasi iba yung sa supplementary, iba din yung sa principal. So, ano nga ba yung supplementary? It's under the principal card, which is yung unang-unang in-issue credit card, at nagpagawa kayo ng supplementary card, pwede yun. Yun, pwede rin ma-qualify yun. Kapag nag-birthday din yung supplementary credit card holder. Qualified card holders will receive an SMS upon successful processing of the cashback within 30 days after birthday month. Tunod ng sabi. Do not include special characters, example, comma, hyphen, apostrophe in your field entries. Ibig sabihin, kung ano lang yung code na binigay, yun lang yung ilalagay nyo para maging successful yung enrollment process. Terms and conditions apply. So, skip na natin yan. Nandito na tayo. Please enter the promo ID sent to your registered email address or mobile number via BDO Deal. So, yun yung nakita nyo. Then, ayan, promo ID, e.g., ayan. So, lagay nyo yan. Then, pagka-click nyo, ayan, nalagay ko na. I-click nyo yung I hereby agree to be bound by the BDO credit card promo, terms and conditions. I further agree to maintain my BDO credit card count current and good standing. I also acknowledge that the promo cannot be used in conjunction with any other existing offers. So, ibig sabihin, kapag may promo ganito, hindi nyo na siya pwedeng gamitin kung may iba pang promo. Like, may promo na to, gagamitin nyo pa ng ibang promo. Ito lang talaga yon. Then, submit. So, pagka-submit nyo, guys, ganito yung lalabas. You are now enrolled in the promo. Then, Shopmore Mastercard, 500 pesos birthday cashback. So, your reference number is, ayan yung reference number. Tinakpan ko lang kasi bawal ipakita. It's confidential. Then, please keep a screenshot of this acknowledgement for your future references. Kasi tulad na sabi ko kanina, guys, if ever na hindi na-credit yung cashback, pwede kayong tumawag sa Video Contact Center to follow up. Unang-una nilang hahanapin is yung reference number. So, kapag wala yung reference number nyo, syempre, hindi nila mahahanap sa system nila. Ang mangyayari, mababaliwala yun, wala kayong karapatan magalit, it's because hindi nyo na-provide yung details na kailangan nila.
So guys, before ko end yung video, i-highlight ko lang yung exclusion nila, which is, una yung cash advances made via ATM or over-the-counter and cash in to load e-wallets, prepaid cards such as Maya transfers. So, yun yung mga exclusions, guys. Basahin nyo na lang any type of bills payment, yung mga naka-auto-debit, bawal, transactions from casino or any gambling merchants, then transactions from stock trading, foreign exchange trading, yan, bawal yan. Cash installment or balance installment programs such as Cash It Easy, balance transfer, yan, bawal yan. Any transaction used to redeem from other ongoing BDO credit cards. So, halimbawa, naka-promo na yung credit card na ginamit nyo, hindi na pwede kasi promo na siya. Kasi hindi siya valid in conjunction with other promos. Dapat regular price siya, kumbaga. Pwede mo siyang gamitin, yung mga qualified is yung sa online, payment, and lahat, anything, basta hindi siya naglalaman ng promo na. Yun lang, binigyan ko lang ng highlight yun, guys, kasi para hindi kayo malito. Like, parang sinabi nyo, na-avail ko naman, naabot ko naman yung 5,000, na-reach ko naman siya, but wala, hindi ako nakatanggap. Kasi may mga bawal siya, guys, which is yung sinasabi exclusions.
So, yun lamang, guys. I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako at may nalaman kayo ngayong video. So, kung may natutunan kayo, don't forget to subscribe for more videos kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Yun lang po. Bye-bye!